Poisoned trees gave a wealthy couple in Maine a bleeper ocean view. Residents wonder, at what cost? Associated Press. Suspicious deaths in an idyllic seaside community and detective work that points to poison soundlick. Themes from a classic bleep mystery. Wealth and hubris fuel the tale of a politically connected Missouri couple who allegedly poisoned their neighbors' trees to secure their $1 million view of Camden Harbor. The incident that was unearthed by the victim herself, the philanthropic wife of LL Bean's late president, has united local residents in outrage. Below are your comments. The Bonds need jail time. There isn't enough money in the world to make up for what they did. Besides the risk to vegetation and wildlife, what are the health risks to the people living in the area? How many years will the area, soul, be contaminated? When the town's residents come down with cancer or birth defects, are the bonds still going to be around to be held? So basically, this couple turned an entire town into a Superfund site because they wanted a better VTuber and all they get is minimal fines? Take their house. When a very large Douglas fir tree in my yard was blocking my neighbor's view, they came to me and asked if I could trim the tree up a bit. I told them I did not have the money to do it, but if they wanted to pay for it, go right ahead. What ever happened to talking to people about problems? This has been an ongoing drama in Maine for a while. Maine is basically like Montana with a coast. The vast majority of locals would prefer tourists to not move in. Unwelcome outsiders with no shame or understanding of local values have ruined the place. People illegally felling trees on their property to improve their view is quite common. This is the first time I've heard of someone going after someone else's trees. Whether they stood on the property or not, this was trespass with an intent to perpetrate a crime. Surely they could be charged. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.